Let's make salted European butter, rich, smooth, creamy, delicious in just 30 minutes time. I went shopping at natural grocers and I purchased the organic Alexandre 40% milk fat heavy cream. Pick out your favorite salt. For this batch, I'm going to be using kosher salt from the Mediterranean. It's good to have on hand salted butter and unsalted butter. All right, you're going to begin with a chilled bowl in your 40% milk fat heavy cream and your hand mixer. I also had a bowl with cold water resting in the refrigerator for afterwards to